Welcome to Chris T's Kitchen. Today we are cooking chicken, mushrooms and goat's cheese risotto. You will need 150 grams of mushrooms, 1 small onion, a handful of rocket, 1 heaped teaspoon of mushroom paste, 120 grams of cooked chicken, 350 milliliters of chicken stock, 1 garlic clove, 1½ tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 15 grams of butter, 80 grams of risotto rice, oil, 1 heaped tablespoon of crème fraîche, goat's cheese, and salt and pepper. Cooking method. If using raw chicken breast, put in a saucepan and cover with stock to just cover them and bring to a gentle simmer and cook for 10 minutes. When cooked, dispense the stock into 350 milliliters but keep the rest for adding if needed to add liquid to the risotto after it has cooked in the oven. Slice 150 grams of mushrooms. Peel and cut in half a small onion. Dice the onion. Peel a garlic clove. Heat a splash of oil in an oven-proof pan with a lid. Fry the sliced mushrooms for 3 minutes. Add a splash of oil to the pan. Then add the chopped onion and stir and cook for a further 3 minutes. Stir occasionally. Add salt and pepper. Add minced garlic. Cook for 1 minute. Add 80 grams of risotto rice. Cook for 2 minutes while stirring constantly. 350 milliliters of chicken stock. Add 1 heaped teaspoon of mushroom paste and stir. Bring to the boil and cover. Add to a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius conventional oven or 200 degrees Celsius fan oven. While the risotto is cooking, slice 120 grams of cooked chicken. I use cooked chicken as it's cheaper than raw chicken. If using raw chicken breast, cook before adding to the risotto. Remove from the oven. Remove the lid and stir. Add more water if the risotto is too dry. Add the sliced cooked chicken. Add 1½ tablespoons of Parmesan cheese and stir. Add 15 grams of butter and stir. Season with salt and pepper again. Add 1 heaped tablespoon of crème fraîche and stir. Cover and leave to stand for 4 minutes. Spoon out onto a pasta bowl. Top with the rocket. Add crumbled goat's cheese. Coat the rocket with oil. Ready to eat. Chicken, mushroom and goat's cheese risotto. I bake the risotto as I find it easier than the traditional method of cooking a risotto.